Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by testing and protecting. Spray a small hidden one in. Spot with your chosen cleaner and wait about 5 minutes to check finish compatibility and color fastness. Once safe, mix mild detergent with warm water in a spray bottle. Have a microfiber cloth and soft sponge ready so you don't abrade paint. You must ventilate the room and place a drop cloth under the wall to catch drips. This prevents secondary staining and keeps cleanup quick. You proceed methodically and gently. Once done with the test area, work top to bottom in 2 FT sections so runoff doesn't restain cleaned areas and avoid circular scrubbing which spreads the mark. For fresh ink, apply 70% rubbing alcohol on a cloth and blot. Press then lift. For wax or crayon, make a baking soda paste 1 and rub softly. After each spot, rinse with clean water and pat dry with a microfiber towel so you can assess progress instantly. You complete the job by checking for residual ghosting and doing touch-ups precisely. Once areas are dry, use a magic eraser sparingly. Test first and apply light pressure because it can dull finish. If cleaning removed paint, match color and apply a small brush, feathering edges to blend. Make sure to prime any stubborn stains before painting. If spots still show through, 1 coat of stain-blocking primer followed by matching paint will restore uniform appearance. If unexpected damage occurs, stop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.